In this video, we can talk about top 5 PlayHT alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Coup channel. Today, we invite you to explore a collection of exceptional alternatives to PlayHT, an excellent text-to-speech platform that converts written text into natural and lifelike speech. The top 5 alternatives of PlayHT, which are 11 Labs, Speechify, TTSMaker, Lovo, and Listnr, ushering in a new era of excellence in audio content creation. Our first alternative is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an advanced speech synthesis platform that empowers users to transform text into natural-sounding, expressive audio. It offers features like voice cloning, multi-language support, design custom AI voices, and speech synthesis. The platform enables users to inject emotions like happiness, excitement, or empathy into the generated speech, adding a human-like touch to the audio output. The standout feature of 11 Labs is its ability to dynamically adjust the pace and rhythm of speech delivery, ensuring a smooth and engaging listening experience for the audience. Next up, we have Speechify. Speechify is a revolutionary text-to-speech platform that enables you to listen to any text, be it articles, books, or documents, with unparalleled ease. It comes with excellent features like voiceover generator, voice cloning, and AI video generator. The tool syncs progress across various devices, enabling you to switch between them effortlessly. One of the standout features of Speechify is its AI-powered voice synthesizer that reproduces human-like speech with excellent clarity and intonation. Moving on, we have TTSMaker. TTSMaker is an intuitive text-to-speech tool aimed at content creators and businesses seeking to enhance user experiences through audio content. It offers excellent features like multi-language support, sample voices, and video dubbing. TTSMaker allows you to save the generated audio in various formats like MP3, WAV, and OGG, enabling seamless integration into different projects. The standout feature of TTSMaker is its extensive library of voice options, ranging from different accents to diverse age groups, allowing you to tailor the generated audio to suit your target audience precisely. Fourth on our list is Lovo. Lovo is an AI-driven speech synthesis platform designed to generate realistic, human-like voices for a wide range of applications, including e-learning, narration, podcasts, and more. It offers features like video dubbing, granular voice control, and track zooming. Lovo's extensive range of voice selections, including celebrity-like voices, opens up unique opportunities for creative storytelling and captivating content creation. And one of the standout features of Lovo is its AI-based voice cloning technology, which lets you create custom voices that match specific individuals. Last but certainly not least, we have Listnr. Listnr is an advanced and user-friendly text-to-speech platform designed to cater to content creators, educators, and individuals alike. It offers features like text-to-speech editor, voiceovers, and speech-to-text. Listnr's adaptive pronunciation system adapts to specific accents and dialects, ensuring accurate and authentic pronunciation for a diverse audience. And one of the standout features of the tool is its powerful API and comprehensive documentation, enabling seamless integration and customization options for specific project needs. Compared to PlayHT, 11 Labs stands out with its vast library of diverse voices and its dynamic pace and rhythm adjustment feature, ensuring engaging and lifelike voiceovers. Speechify's seamless integrations with popular platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox give it an edge over PlayHT in terms of accessibility to a variety of content sources. TTSMaker comes with batch processing capability that makes converting multiple text files into audio a breeze, saving valuable time and effort. Lovo's superior AI-driven neural TTS technology sets it apart from PlayHT, producing remarkably natural and expressive speech that is virtually indistinguishable from human voice. And Listnr gains an advantage with its dynamic content embeds, allowing you to seamlessly integrate the generated audio into websites and e-learning platforms. After exploring the features of each option shown in this video, we would recommend Lovo as the best alternative to PlayHT. Lovo's unique emotion tagging feature is perfect for content creators like you to infuse your audio content with specific emotional tones, fostering deeper connections with listeners. For businesses and content creators seeking a powerful, flexible, and highly immersive TTS solution, Lovo undoubtedly reigns as the ultimate choice. Your audio content creation just got an upgrade. We hope you found our rundown of the best 5 alternatives to PlayHT and Listnr. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.